Welcome back to the IS&T experience. One of the things that makes IS&T so special is the way our students take initiative, leading clubs, organizing events, and building communities where everybody can learn and grow together. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Zaid Kakish, President of Nullify, or Cybersecurity Student Organization. Zaid and his team are helping students gain hands-on experience, connect with professionals, and strengthen Omaha's growing cybersecurity community. Zaid, thank you very much for joining us. So let's start talking about who you are, and tell us about yourself, your degree, and what inspired you to get engaged with the student club.
Perfect. So my name is Zaid Kakish. I'm a graduate student at UNO pursuing a master's degree in cybersecurity. I graduated with my undergrads from UNO. I did computer science and cybersecurity. Just graduated this spring and now returning to do a graduate degree. One of the biggest things that inspired me to join a student club is when I first started, I wanted to network with as much peers as possible. I wanted to make new friends, learn more about UNO, and just be more involved in the community. The perfect way to do that was to join a student club. That way I could meet new people, learn more about maybe cybersecurity, computer science, or different topics of interests, as well as maybe get some networking opportunities. And by joining a student club, that was the best thing ever.
That's wonderful. So I mentioned that Nullify is our cybersecurity student club. But what exactly is Nullify?
So yes, Nullify is our student-run UNO cybersecurity club. We do talks every week throughout the spring and the fall semester. We meet twice a week on Wednesdays and Fridays, and we cater to both new students in cybersecurity and advanced students. So for example, on Wednesdays, where we host our introductory talks, we cover what cybersecurity is, what some certain cybersecurity tools are, just to try and get people their foot in the door in cybersecurity. And our more advanced Friday meetings, we try and keep more advanced students up to date on cybersecurity topics and try and keep them networked into that network of industry professionals here in Omaha and even broader. We cater to both, so all students are welcome to attend both meetings. We just try and keep them as involved in cybersecurity as possible.
I have to tell you, when I went to visit you at that evening where you were having them, it was a Wednesday, so I'm assuming it was with the more experienced cyber students. I couldn't believe how much attendance you got. So you're doing a great job getting them engaged, getting them learning a lot of different areas of the field. So I think you're doing a really great job, and I hope that the students take advantage of it. Talking about that, what do you think is the benefits of being involved with Nullify?
So some of the biggest benefits of being part of Nullify is that you get firsthand experience in cybersecurity. So we try and keep it to more workshop-based lessons, and we try and introduce students to cyber tools, maybe do a lab or two just to walk them through, give them some challenges. We also do a lot of guest speakers. So we bring in industry cybersecurity professionals from across Omaha, sometimes even broader, and we introduce them to our students. That way they can talk to the students, tell them what their day in the life looks like, and connect them with internship opportunities. In addition, we do capture the flag competitions, which also gives that first-hand experience in different cybersecurity tools. Most capture the flag competitions cover different categories and help students even advance their skills further in cybersecurity.
That's great. So for you in particular, first, were you part of Nullify as an undergrad? And second, what has been the greatest benefit to you? How has it helped you grow personally and professionally?
So yes, I did start at Nullify during my undergrad years. I joined my sophomore year as a member at first. And then the semester after, I applied to be an officer because it was just such an awesome environment. And then flashback to now, president of the club. So it's been a long 3 years, long but very fun. There are a lot of benefits. I got my first internship out of Nullify, so I did not have any prior work experience or any projects beforehand, and I did some capture the flag competitions with Nullify in cybersecurity, and it helped me get my first internship. It got me that foot in the door in cybersecurity, and it really helped me advance my skills further. Those capture the flag competitions, they taught me a lot of new stuff in cyber that I never knew about beforehand, and it just helped me a lot with my skills and got me to where I am right now.
Zaid, thank you very much for coming over. It's always really inspiring to see how our students are taking advantage of the opportunities that we have here for students and how you are getting engaged and learning valuable skills, not only as a member of the club, but also as a leader. At IS&T, learning doesn't just happen in the classroom. It happens through collaboration, leadership, and experiences like this. In our future episode of the IS&T Experience, we'll continue sharing stories from across our community, students, faculty, and alumni, all working together to shape the future of technology and make a difference.